Everyone, in this video, we are going to use some different props to represent different things. So the first thing that we have is our dear sun right here, our source of energy. Go ahead, Mrs. Kramer, and turn on our source of energy. Don't look directly into it. It is very bright. Miss Kramer, what type of energy does the sun give off?
Solar energy.
Solar energy. So if we're looking at this wall over here, do you notice anything? Is anything in the way, blocking anything? No, the solar energy is shining brightly onto the wall. But that's not always the case. Sometimes there's things blocking the sun's light. Miss Kramer, can you hold up our Earth for us? Miss Kramer is now going to represent our Earth. So she has the Earth, and we are going to look at the wall behind her. So I'm noticing that there's a shadow from the sun, from the Earth, and the Earth is casting a shadow behind it. Notice how in the middle of the shadow, it is very dark, and on the outsides of the shadow, it's really light. But not only does the Earth cast a shadow, but so does the moon. Miss Kramer, can you be our moon now? So now we have the moon. The moon does the same thing as the Earth. The Earth and the moon both cast a shadow from our solar energy, from our light source, which is the sun. On the outside of the moon, we have our shadow behind it. Just like our Earth, the middle of the shadow is really dark, and the outside of the shadow is a little bit lighter. We like to call this the umbras and the preumbras. The preumbra, which is in the middle of the shadow, is really dark. So that's the dark part of the shadow. The umbra is the whole shadow. And you notice that the umbra is a little bit lighter on the outside of our shadow.